The submarine aircraft carrier, Japan's I-400 disaster. In the final years of World War II, Japan built a weapon unlike anything the world had seen. The I-400, a massive submarine that could launch aircraft from underwater. It carried 3 bombers in a watertight hangar, surfaced, and launched them off a catapult. The goal? Surprise attacks on U.S. cities or the Panama Canal. On paper, it was genius. In reality, it came too late. By the time the I-400 fleet was ready, Japan was already losing the war. The missions were canceled, the subs surrendered, and the world's first underwater aircraft carriers faded into obscurity. Brilliant engineering, with nowhere left to fly.